Take a look at the 2019 BMW X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, panoramic moonroof, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.